Go ahead and see why they making all this daggone noise. Think I'm bringing them something to eat. What's going on, big bull? What's going on, baby? Baby Red. Look, she got her winter coat on. Oh my goodness, she look like she about to have another one. You see her? You see her? How pretty she is? Look how fat she is. Oh man, ain't that beautiful? Hey baby. Hey baby. You fat too. Yeah. Mama. Mama saying, what's up, Fox? Captain Fox, what's up? Look at him. How y'all doing this morning? How everybody this morning? How the hamburgers doing? Y'all doing okay? Everybody eating. Look. All of them looking. Look at them, all of them. Look at them over there. Look at them this morning. Spring is here, y'all. It's coming. Ain't but a couple more weeks. Yeah. All the cold weather, it'll be gone. Ain't that right, mama? What's up, babe? Don't you rack up. Don't. Y'all got your earrings in your ear? Everybody got the earring on? The little one there peeping around the tree. Look at him. He young too. Yeah. Here come another one. What y'all over here talking about? What's up? What you doing? Stop sniffing him. I heard. What you doing? What you doing? Huh? So y'all know that's Fox. Captain Fox out here checking on the herd. Oh yeah. I need some fertilizer, y'all. Getting close to planting my garden. You know I need some fertilizer. So y'all go ahead and do your thing now. Boy, everybody's swole. What in the world? Boy, that boy been having him a good old time. Man, he got everybody swole. Ain't it, girl? Yup. Look at the little bane. Ain't that the cutest thing you ever seen? Look at the little bane on their head. Man, God is beautiful. He's beautiful. Yup. Look at him. She's just as cute as she want to be. They got her eyebrows arched. Check it out. She pretty, man. See her eyebrow? And she got her hair all conked to the side there. Yeah. Look at her. That belly poked out, boy. Living good in the cow neighborhood. Swayback Branch Family Farm. My main man do a good job on keeping these animals up, right? Very beautiful. Yup. Nice. Shout out to you, Mont. Shout out to you, brother. Peace. Y'all hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And let Henrietta know that you think she cute. Put it in the comments if you think she cute with her eyebrows and her bangs. And then she got it slipped to the side. Look at the top. We're going over to her left. And then she got a little pompadour on the top. She pretty now. All right, y'all have a great day. Peace. And enjoy the earth. God put it here for us. Look forward to seeing it all forever and ever. Ever, forever. Great. We gone. Whatsoever you do, keep it real. Keep it funky. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Peace.